Hello guys, in this video we will see how to uninstall XAMPP from the Linux operating systems. So go to install directory, that is cd opt lamp. It is the default installation directory for the XAMPP servers. Okay. ls, see here we have the XAMPP related files. So now run the command sudo // then uninstall. See here we have the uninstallation script. Use the tab, hit enter. Now it is asking confirmation. Do you want to uninstall LAMP and all its modules? Click on yes. See, now it is uninstalling. See, uninstallation was completed. See, after the uninstallation, we can remove these files also. Give the rm-rf, then give LAMP, hit enter. So we have to give the sudo. Give sudo. It is done. ls. See, we have cleared everything. So in this video, we have seen how to uninstall XAMPP from the Linux operating systems. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.